Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Google Antigravity on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Google Antigravity download. So that's going to show you this antigravity.google. So just click on this Google Antigravity download. So this link I am going to provide right in our channel description. Here you can see that our Google Antigravity for Windows is available for all Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So you are going to download it for Windows, so that's why I'm going to click on this download x64. So that's going to immediately start downloading Google Antigravity.exe, and you can see it is right downloaded. Just simply click on that installer. This is our license agreement. Let's first minimize our browser, and here you need to read this license agreement, then accept it and click on next. This is where our Google Antigravity is going to be installed. Totally fine, click on next. Again, totally fine, click on next. Here I'll recommend you to select all these four options and click on next. Ready to be installed, click on install. We are going to immediately start installing Google Antigravity, and there you go. So our Google Antigravity is rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. Launch Antigravity option is also rightly checked. Just simply click on finish. They are going to launch our Google Antigravity IDE, and it has rightly opened, and it is telling to give permission so that Windows firewall do not block any of its features. So just click on allow. So welcome to Google Antigravity. Just simply click on next. Here it is telling whether you like to start fresh or you like to import some of the settings from VS Code. Again, I'll recommend you to proceed with start fresh. And here it has given four options: dark theme, Tokyo night light and Solarize light. You can choose anything you like. I'll proceed with Tokyo night and going to click on next. Here this agent assisted development option is rightly checked. As you know that Google Antigravity is basically just an AI powered integrated development or IDE. So essentially we are using this tool for writing and managing code with the help of AI only. So that's why I'll recommend you to keep everything as a default basically and click on next. Again, you need to keep it default and click on next. Now it's time to sign in using Google. So just click on sign in with Google. Here you need to provide your email ID and click on next, or you can select your ID from here, and after that just simply click on sign in. Open Antigravity, and there you go. So now you are logged into Antigravity. Again, these are all license agreement. You can accept it after reading it. Click on next, and there you go. This is the interface of our Google Antigravity. You can maximize this. Already you can see in the workspace some of the projects that I have already created and I have showed you on my previous videos. So you can always click on this open folder and you can browse your projects right on Google Antigravity IDE, and you can start working. So this interface looks pretty much same as Visual Studio Code or Cursor AI, and now Google also launched Google Antigravity IDE. Right. So that's how you install Google Antigravity. Let me know on our comment sections if you need more videos on Google Antigravity. I'm going to happily make more videos on that as well. And if you're interested on WordPress, then I highly recommend you to follow this WordPress tutorial playlist. Or if you're interested on Python, for that also I have all these video series. So I recommend you to watch all these video series, and detailed source code are also available with proper explanation on this official geekyscript.com website. So you not only get free videos on our YouTube channel, also detailed source code are also available. So do check out all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.